February, a month of celebrations like Lent, Fat Thursday, Valentine's Day, and more. It's a time when different cultures embrace Carnival, Mardi Gras, Fasching, or Pust, each with its own flair. And what is a better way to join the festivities than with some delightful treats? Today, I'll walk you through making angel wing cookies, or as we call them in Slovenia, Krhki Flancati. Let's dive into today's recipe. In a large bowl, combine 6 egg yolks with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Start mixing slowly with a hand mixer until the sugar is incorporated. Once it's under control, so it won't fly around, beat the yolks and sugar for about a minute on high speed until they are pale and fluffy. Pour in 80 milliliters of dry white wine, 2 tablespoons of rum, and give it a quick 20-second mix. Add a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and the zest of a whole lemon. Make sure to wash your lemon under hot water to remove any impurities or potential pesticides still left on it, and then dry your lemon thoroughly. Mix everything together to combine the wet ingredients. Now, gradually add your sifted flour into the mixture. Whisking at first, and then switching to the hook attachments halfway through. Once the dough starts to come together, transfer it to a work surface and knead it by hand until smooth. If the dough is a bit sticky, add a touch of flour. The dough should be soft and springy, but not sticky. Flour a bowl, place the dough inside, flour the top of it, cover it with a towel, and let it rest for 30 to 45 minutes. Flour your work surface and roll out the rested dough into a square or a rectangle. The dough should be about 2 mm thick. Trim the edges to make them even, then cut into rectangles. Make 2 horizontal cuts in the center of each rectangle. It's time to shape our dough. Grab one of your rectangles and gently spread it a bit. Now take the bottom right corner and thread it through the left hole. Give it a little tug while holding onto the upper right corner, and voila, charming twisting shape. Let's do a quick recap. So we have bottom right corner through the left hole, then tug on both corners. You can also try it from the left side if you wish. Take your left bottom corner, thread it through the right hole, wrap the corner, and tuck the upper left corner. Repeat this delightful process with all your rectangles until they're all beautifully twisted and ready to fry. Heat up your oil to 180 degrees Celsius. As you add your dough into the hot oil, always place them away from you. This little trick minimizes the risk of hot oil splashing back at you. And remember, don't overcrowd your pan. Too many pieces at once will cause the oil temperature to drop, which will affect the cooking process. Fry your dough until golden brown and crispy, then drain them on paper towels. While they're still warm, dust them generously with powdered sugar for the extra sweetness. Once cooled slightly, transfer them to a bowl and serve. They're delicate and crunchy, and trust me, once you start, you won't be able to stop until they're all gone. Enjoy the carnival season, and don't forget to share your customs and favorite treats in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious food ideas. Until next time, bye bye!